understand that in this life, God takes us through things to move us to two places with Him. And that is, He takes us through things to grow our trust in Him. Because the record is, according to Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, that we ought to trust in the Lord with all thine heart. Y'all hear me? Lean not into your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. Now understand that whenever it comes to having storms or having trouble or trials or tribulations in life and in ministry or whatever it is, God only wants to move us to trusting in Him. I love the first 4 words of Proverbs 3 and 5 that says, trust in the Lord. The word trust in the Hebrew is baltal. Baltal means to have security. It means to be it means to have faith. It means to be confident. Then there's the word in. The word in is a preposition that denotes a fixed position. When you are in something, you are rooted. When you are in something, you are settled. In biblical terms, when you are in something, you are steadfast and unmovable. Then there's the word the, T-H-E, trust in the Lord. The word the is in English, it is called a definite article that removes all other options. There's a difference between a and the. A means one of some, but the means this is the only one. So when Solomon said trust in the Lord, all he says is don't trust in nobody but the Lord. Are y'all going to sit there and look at me like that? I don't trust in nobody but the Lord. And everything in our life is only to move us closer to trusting in the Lord. You can pray for faith all day long, but faith is not going to fall out of the sky. No, it's not going to fall out of the sky into your lap. But what it is going to happen is God is going to put you into some situation to where your faith is tried and exercised. Y'all